Shanoverseas Infusion Pump is a cutting-edge medical device designed for the precise delivery of fluids, medications, and nutrients directly into a patient's bloodstream. Engineered with advanced technology, this infusion pump ensures accurate dosage and flow rates, enhancing patient care and treatment outcomes. Ideal for use in hospitals, clinics, and home healthcare settings, the Shanoverseas Infusion Pump is a reliable and essential tool for modern medical practices. Specifications: display, large, easy-to-read LCD screen. Flow rate range, 0.1 to 1,200 milliliters per hour. Accuracy, plus or minus 5%. Volume range, 1 to 9,999 milliliters. Alarms, multiple alarms for occlusion, low battery, air in line, and completion of infusion. Battery life: up to 8 hours of continuous operation on a full charge. Power supply, AC/DC adapter and rechargeable lithium battery. Weight, approximately 2 kilograms. Dimensions: compact design with dimensions around 200 mm x 150 mm x 120 mm. Infusion modes: time mode and body weight mode. Safety features: anti-free flow protection, dual CPU monitoring, and key lock function. Compatibility: compatible with various standard 4 sets. Uses: 1. Medication administration, delivers precise doses of medications over specified periods, ensuring optimal therapeutic effects. 2. Nutritional support, provides essential nutrients and fluids to patients who cannot consume food orally. 3. Pain management, administers analgesics in controlled doses for effective pain relief. 4. Chemotherapy, ensures accurate delivery of chemotherapy drugs to cancer patients. 5. Critical care, supports critical care patients by maintaining precise infusion rates of vital medications. 6. Pediatric care, offers controlled medication delivery for infants and children. 7. Postoperative care, aids in the administration of fluids and medications during recovery. 8. Emergency situations, provides rapid and accurate infusion during emergencies and trauma care. 9. Antibiotic therapy, delivers antibiotics at precise intervals for effective infection control. 10. Chronic illness management, supports long-term treatment plans for chronic conditions requiring continuous infusion. The Shanoverseas Infusion Pump is a versatile and indispensable device in modern healthcare, ensuring accurate and safe delivery of fluids and medications across a wide range of medical applications.